The weather is clearing up. The sun has got its hat on. Hip, 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 hooray. There's only one reason why I've come to Pai, and that is for the nature. Anyway, enough of that nature bullshit. Now we're going to go and get in some nature actually. Check out the hot springs right now before it gets too hot. Then we're going to go to 4 different waterfalls. Got my trusty steed. It's going to be sick. Let's get on it. Hello, what's up? Okay. Is that all day? 1 hour, 2 hours? All day. Oh, lovely. This is the In Pai hot springs. I went to a hot springs in Australia and it was amazing. And it's actually cooler today. It's only about 22 degrees. So let's get involved. It's a bit weird getting a lot of looks because I'm obviously filming. But yeah, fuck it. Sick. Oh my god, this is so nice. Whoa. Oh man. This is so nice. Oh, whoa. Oh, it's like the best bath you've ever had in your life. Imagine having a tug in here, it'd be so good. No, let's stop being all crude and horrible. This is nice. Shut up against it. Oh, ow. Oh, Jesus Christ, what's going on? Man, making a meal out of this. You know, people are ridiculous, right? I saw the complaints and stuff, like the bad reviews on Google. So many of them were like, oh, the water's dirty. It's like, what do you expect? You're in the jungle, mate. Get over yourself. It's like when those people say, like, give bad reviews on, like, beach clubs and stuff. And they're like, too much sand. Or, like, they go to another country and they're like, it's really annoying, like, nobody spoke English. It's like, bro, sort yourself out. Definitely getting a bad review for that. Bloody too many insects in. Right. Anyway, I think I'm going to bounce, to be fair. Let's roll.
Take the next right.
These bad boys. Woo. That's very nice. Nice. Wow. Cup and cup. Life. This is peaceful. It's a little too quiet for my liking. All right, mate.
What's up?
Yeah, sound. Oh, bloody hell. That was some climb.
Yes. Danger a little bit.
A little-
All the time I come here.
yeah? I think I must have taken the long way because I passed you guys. You guys already been here setting up lunch. What the hell?
You see?
That's so funny.
The lunch very good here.
Yeah, look at what you got going on here.
You want to eat something with us?
Oh, mate. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, please.
Come.
Oh, thank you.
Of course.
So, Shlomi, and what's your name?
Aviv.
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 Nice. Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you. Nice to
Look at
meet you
this
too.
spread.
You're welcome.
And your name?
Tom.
Tom.
Yeah.
Okay. It's video.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, okay.
You're on camera, but.
YouTuber. עכשיו הוא יעלה אותנו ל...
You YouTuber?
Yeah.
We are together 20 years friend
Oh, yeah.
in Israel.
Yeah.
I come to visit him now in Thailand.
Yeah.
What we say to the world,
Yeah.
make peace, make love, and so that's it.
That's all you need.
Yes,
That's all you need.
Okay,
Love and peace.
love and peace.
Good
Love
message.
and peace.
Good message. This is what life's all about. These nice chaps gave me some of their food. I bought them a drink each. And now we're going to go to the next mountain together. Crazy. Jesus Christ.
It's not difficult for him.
Yeah.
Yes. How much stomach here? This
125.
1 to 5. Ah, okay. This
You.
is 1 5. How many kilo you?
90?
90 kilo. I 93 kilo.
Yeah.
I don't know. Bona, you lucky. It's take you.
I know. So, we made it. We parked up. Now we're going on foot. In flip-flops. And socks. This man keeps on shouting out Cobra. I wonder if that means look out for the cobras. Who's that guy? He's off.
Welcome.
Okay, we got this. Go on, lads. Let's do it. Tell you what, it definitely helps having a moped. Here we go. Okay. So, the reason why I'm laughing is because my man Shlomi said there's a temple up here It's like a great view. It's a great view, but have a look at this temple. Sick. Maybe there's gonna be a temple in like 2025. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Oh gosh. Whoa. So yeah, behind me, you can see the view. Look at this.
This is a prayer from Jewish תפילין.
איפה המשהו? Moses, Moses.
What's he going to say? I know this waterfall.
Something new. I know this waterfall.
I tell you. Woo. That was like ridiculous. It was like 20 men pounding down on my shoulders. Not like that, you filthy animals. Yeah, that was cool as f***. Very glad I come down here. Let's see if the boys are there waiting for me. Oh, they're gone. Boys, Shlomi, Aviv, you break my heart. Nice to meet you guys, and I'll see you again in this life or the next. We've arrived at the peaceful and tranquil Pang waterfall. My man's bringing the party. So this is Pang waterfall. Apparently it's more Pang than the last one that we went to because it's a bloody water slide. Am I going to have the balls to go down it? That's the question. We will find out.
Did you do it already?
Nah. Nah,
It looks like suicide.
Right, the girls are getting ready to come up and do it, so I gotta do it. Oh, fucking hell, wish me luck. Whoa! Phew! You got it, it's good. It's not. Yeah, of course, yeah. Just take it slow. Yeah, just go slow. Whoa! Get your ass to Thailand now. It's the best. So I've googled where I should eat today, and the top thing come up as this food truck here. Hi bro. Sawadee krap. I hear this is the best food in Pai.
Yum maybe.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. We'll try it.
Wow.
Thank you. Welcome, Carl. It's really garlicky, but who doesn't love garlic? It's amazing.
Yes, bro.
Thank you very much. This looks so good. Phenomenal. Oh, chew. Hello. Oh, you look so wagger. Hello. Hello. Oh. I swear Bangkok and Phuket have just got the worst dogs. They suck. Look at this little one. Whoa, shit. Well, what was I saying? Luckily, no blood was drawn. Ah, that really hurts. Oh, fucker. I thought that was a sign that she was loving it. Once again, didn't get my rabies jab, but I don't think this dog has rabies. So, right, I think I need to get back to the old hostel and wash my hands and check it out. Let's go. I do not feel good.